Are you tired of coming up with your own content? Like you're tired of being creative? As a business owner, on a daily basis, we have to think about creative ideas on how to come up with content that is capturing, that can stop the scroll, and that can make up sales. Well, if you are in that boat where you feel like you're sinking and you don't know what else to create because you've tried everything, I have an option for you. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use AI to come up with strategies and content ideas and even help you plan the content so you know exactly what to do when you want to do it. Follow me. Let's go.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idaya Sambo. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, effortless, modest fashion. I'm also a business coach, I'm a business mentor, I'm a nurse, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I love absolutely everything I do. Today, I'm taking you on the journey. This is part number 7, by the way. You've missed part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is part 7. But let me tell you, you can still watch it. I'm going to link one of them right here somewhere around the screen. And after watching this video, and make sure you watch it to the end because there's going to be a tip for you. Um, you can go ahead and watch the previous videos. But the headline is how to use AI to take your business to the next level. But the topic of discussion today is how to use AI to come up with content. As business owners, we all know that everybody wants to see content. Why do you go on social media? To be entertained, right? To be engaged, to feel like you have a community that understands you. So if you have a business, be it a candle business, a fashion business, a jewelry business, a coaching business, you want to build a community around that business on social media. But how can you build this community? Through content. You have to post educational, entertaining, relatable content so people can find you on social media, so they can follow you, so eventually they can buy from you, right? But it can become so tiring when you're the kind of person like me where you post 3 to 5 times a day. You get exhausted, and sometimes you get a burnout and you don't even know what to post. No more exhaustion, you are. You can use AI to the rescue. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, if you already have your account set up, if you don't, you need to go and watch part 1 of how to set up your Chat GPT or your Gemini and how to use AI, the basic needs, right? So if you've got that done, this is part 7. Then you are going to go to, by now, if you've watched part 1 to 7, AI understands you already. It kind of like understands your business because you've been talking to it on a very frequent basis. So now all you're going to have to do is, okay, according to my business. So let's say for the past videos, I took a candle business as an example that I want to start. And the candle business is named um, Whack Whack Away My Worries. And my target audience is healthcare professionals, and their ages are they're millennials. And a lot of times I find them on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. And I go to health pages, and I also go to health articles where I know I can find my target customers, right? So if I want to create content around those candles, I will be that person that will pay an influencer that is also a health in healthcare to come from home. Just imagine this, picture it. She's a medical doctor. She showed a little snippet of her running helter skelter in in her hospital. She comes back home tired. She drops the bag on the floor. She Before she gets hits in the shower, she gets this beautiful looking candle. She lights it. It's her aromatherapy. It's the Whack Away Your Worries candle. She puts it on her kitchen table. She has an open concept house. And then she goes into shower. She comes back. She puts on a nice comfortable wear. But as soon as she comes out of the shower, that aroma, that nice scent hits her, and she makes her feel relaxed. She gets something to eat, and she cozies up, and she puts on Netflix, and she Netflix and chill while seeing the candle in the background, right? That is one video. I could tell ChatGPT to create 30 content ideas that is similar to the one that I just gave you. Like, all you have to do is tell ChatGPT one thing you need to do, or give it one idea of the kind of content you like to create, and it could not only tell you what to post, but absolutely it could tell you when to post and how to plan your scripts before you post. Because the more intentional you are with your posts, when you want to make a post, make sure you have a script. Even if you're going to pay someone to create the content for you, be very specific. Make sure you have a contract. On the contract, be very clear on what you want them to do in the video, if it's a picture, and you can take that same information and plug it into ChatGPT, and it could create you a month, 2 months, 6 months, 100 months of content if that's what you want. And you can always, I always encourage you to print it out so you can underline, you can highlight, and you can just go with the flow and follow the plan. Because it's easier when you have a plan. It's easier when you know, oh, tomorrow I'm going to make 4 videos about these candles, or tomorrow I'm going to send these information out, or I'm going to send these what's it called, emails out to influencers to create these specific kind of videos for me. So you are a business owner, or maybe you're an aspiring business owner. You have a business idea, you want to bring it to life, or you already have a business, but you're struggling, you're not getting consistent sales, you are not getting daily sales. You're marketing, or maybe you don't know how to market right. You need somebody to guide you through step by step, hold your hand, and help you get to your success goal to this year. This year in 2025 is going to be different because you're going to do it differently. Because if you're expecting a different result and you're doing it the same way every time, that means you are out of your mind. But if you want to see different results, you need to join the 90-day mentorship program. How can you join the 90-day mentorship program? The first thing you need to do is to join my calendar. I'll have my calendar link below, so we can have a free 15 minutes consultation call to see if I'm the good fit for you and if you're a good fit for me, because I cannot work with anybody. But if you know you have the zeal, you have the energy, and you are willing to put in the work, the 90-day mentorship program is for you, females only. And I can't wait to see you inside. Assalamu alaikum. So as soon as you plug it in, here you are. Now you have enough content to you can use for the month, or you can use for 6 months, or you can use for the whole year. Now all you have to do, which is the hardest part, is to take action. Yes, you can use it, and even if you are a faceless brand, let Gemini or ChatGPT know that, hey, I am a faceless brand. For whatever reason, I do not want to show in this video. How can I make content for my candle business in which I don't show in the video, but I'm still promoting my brand and building my community? I hope this video helps someone. And if you haven't subscribed at this point, like, sis, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscription button below. Share this video to as many people as you can. Let me know if you're an OB or you're new, if you're a newbie or OG. Tell me more about your business below. If you have a video request for the next video, do not hesitate to request below. And if you want to take a step ahead, I dare you to plan your content ahead with ChatGPT, and then schedule days for where all you do is content. So you have like 4 to 6 hours that you schedule, and you batch create content. So you have more than enough content for the month within 1 to 2 days. So for the whole month, you do not have to worry, even if you want to use it on YouTube. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need help growing your business or bringing your business idea to life, click the link below so I can send you my calendar so you can hop on my 15 minutes consultation call. Or if you need a community like the Wealthy Mom Club, where monthly we meet and we help each other take our business to the next level, and we also apply for business grants together, so you know the words and the specifics you need to get business funding, you can also check the Patreon link below. And I can't wait to see you in my next video.
The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point